Good afternoon to everyone. The question before us is, how can you as a student leader contribute to the campaign against illegal drugs in your community? Well, we are student leaders. And what is a leader? A leader has the highest social responsibility, meaning a leader has the highest influence among his fellow students, his fellow classmates, his fellow schoolmates. Now, me as a leader, we could help this campaign by leading by example, by encouraging our friends, and by giving them the voice and the support that they need. So this is what we could do. And as we are all leaders here, we are the helping hand of our classmates. Why does a person lead to drugs? Why do you think? It is because that they are not appreciated, they are not supported, confidence is lacking. That is why people lead to drugs. Either they are too happy, too sad. But if we, as a student, as a person, as a leader, will give them the need of social communication, give them support, and give them help, then they will avoid drugs. Then me, just as a student, can contribute to this campaign. That is me being a leader. But by the way, I am also a student and also a magician. So what I can do is incorporate such things to my performance to show them that drugs is bad. I am also a member of SOCFI, and we have this saying, be smart, don't start. So thank you very much.